What happens when the highest office in the land is challenged in court over 650 times? Welcome to one of the most dramatic legal sagas in U.S. history. Welcome to Court Decoded. Today we cover the Trump administration's unprecedented legal challenges and their lasting impact. The Trump administration, between 2017 and 2021, faced an astounding 650 lawsuits, an unprecedented number in American history. These legal challenges stemmed from a range of controversial decisions, executive orders, and policy changes. From the travel ban to changes in environmental regulations, each decision seemed to provoke a dynamic courtroom battle. This massive wave of litigation posed critical questions about the limits of executive power and the role of the judiciary in checking presidential authority. Several high-profile lawsuits defined the Trump administration's tenure. The travel ban, which restricted entry from several predominantly Muslim countries, sparked fervent worldwide debate and numerous lawsuits. Environmental policy reversals ignited further legal challenges as agencies rewrote regulations. The separation of families at the U.S.-Mexico border resulted in fierce legal battles. Each case illustrated not only a clash of policies, but the constitutional limits of the executive branch. Executive orders became a hallmark of Trump's presidency, often drawing immediate legal scrutiny. In the face of gridlock in Congress, Trump relied heavily on executive actions, prompting swift responses from advocacy groups and state attorneys general. Courts were frequently called upon to interpret the constitutionality of these orders, leading to a complex and often heated dialogue between the branches of government. The outcomes of these lawsuits had significant implications for the interpretation of executive power. Some rulings bolstered the powers of the presidency, while others reinforced the judiciary's role as a check. These cases not only affected policies, but also reshaped legal precedents impacting future presidencies. The judicial branch was repeatedly tasked with delineating the scope of the president's authority and safeguarding democratic principles. Public reaction to these legal battles was as polarized as the nation itself. Supporters viewed the lawsuits as politically motivated attempts to stymie an elected administration, while critics heralded them as necessary checks against authoritarian overreach. This division underscored the challenges of governance in a deeply divided society and highlighted the evolving role of litigation in political discourse. The unprecedented number and nature of these lawsuits will likely influence how future presidents navigate the legal landscape. The Trump administration's experience serves as a precedent, adding complexity to the relationship between the executive branch and the judiciary. These cases underscore the importance of legal strategies in policymaking and highlight how litigation can shape governmental action and accountability. The Trump administration's legal skirmishes were a defining aspect of its tenure, setting a record for modern presidencies. These lawsuits, whether successful or not, provided a blueprint for litigating administrative actions and underscored the judiciary's pivotal role in American governance. The legal legacy left behind reshaped the balance of power and set new standards for executive accountability. If you found this case fascinating, hit subscribe for more captivating legal stories that shape our world.